YouTube, what's poppin'? As you can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're about to go pick the AMG up. I'm super excited, man. My guys over at Changes Customs, they did their thing. So we about to head over there. Yeah, I'm done talking. I just want to get in the car and go. So next time y'all see me, we're gonna be at the shop. All right, we made it here to the shop. I am super excited. I don't even got nothing to say. Let's just go inside.
Crazier, but when you get on it, yeah. Okay. And honestly, like as much,
I can definitely hear the difference already. Like.
Oh yeah, and as much sound deadening as this car has, it's like honestly perfect in my opinion. Let's do it. Ready? This is your invoice, by the way. So so obviously like in individual or comfort mode, like it's quiet, man. But like that's comfort, and it's pretty tame. The throttle response isn't bad. So I didn't drive it before. I've driven a GT63 before, a stock one. So I'll tell you right now, it's a massive difference. My buddy, one of my good buddies from Houston has one, and his is all stock. And I've driven his car before, and it's nothing. So I'll put it in race mode once we get on the street. Let's go. I'll roll down the windows a little bit here. Ready? Yes, sir. Like I said, it's got little pops here and there, nothing too crazy, which for like honestly like an AMG, I think it's perfect. Because you don't want that super racy like pop 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 pop. And it pops a lot more in Sport Plus. So nothing too crazy, but still. And with those new intakes, dude, that turbo sound it's sick, man.
Let's go.
See, it's got that good pop. Yes. So Sport Plus is probably gonna be like your best go-to to drive it every day in, bro. Like especially you want that pops, that feel. Honestly, dude, this thing is a monster. This is the perfect daily, 100%. Like I was driving my girl's Porsche all day today, and even after driving that, I'm like, man, I got a ticket in that for speeding today, man. Like, look, here. So I'm gonna go ahead and. Have you launched this car before?
Just once.
Okay. There you go. Okay. Yeah, it's fucking crazy. Yeah. So
thank you, brother. Thank you.
I wanted to have it ready for you. Sorry, it's not the absolute cleanest. My detailer is here. So, but you'll definitely get to enjoy it tomorrow at the event.
Yeah, I'll probably go get it washed up before I head that way. And there it goes, the pops. There we go. Yeah, that's what I think that's probably why.
So the car's got to be sitting. Yeah, earlier I flew down here and they were like.
YouTube, what's good? Welcome back to the video. As you can see, we are in the GT63s and we got this bitch tuned, no kizzy. So I'm gonna give you a little POV drive, put this bitch in Sport Plus, and we about to get active, bro. We about to get active. This bitch is nasty, nigga. I don't know if y'all can hear them fucking pops. This shit sound disgusting. Get it twisted. This bitch can take a turn now. You mean? She can take a turn. You feel me? You feel me? This shit nasty, nigga. Y'all want me to calm down? I'm going too crazy. Like my nigga tall guy said, I'm taking this bitch to the moon. Is that a cop? Oh shit! I think that's a bike cop. Take him on a chase. I ain't that bold. That. Let me calm down. I look like he's slowing down for me too. That's cool. I'm gonna slow down. Nice fucking little country, man. Where all my niggas with fast cars at, man? Let's go on a drive. I ain't gonna lie, I wanna catch up so bad. Like, I really just wanna gun this shit right now. My bitch. Cause I won't gun it, cause there's a bike cop right there. I ain't no bitch. I ain't no bitch. I ain't gonna do it though. I for sure ski ain't doing it. I ain't gonna lie. I was never, like, I'm not the type of person that tunes cars. Like my Hellcat Red Eye, I ain't do nothing to it besides that fucking muffler delete. But I'm glad I got this shit tuned. Cause it was cool. Don't get me wrong, this shit was cool way before the tune. But this bitch is like a whole different beast now, man. I'm about to bust this UV, man. I'm about to turn. Yeah, I'm busting the UV. Yeah, I ain't gonna lie. One thing about like these AMGs, I don't know if like the M cars are like this too, but bro, the brake dust on this shit is ridiculous. And it be having my shit squeal like I need brakes or something. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Come on, dog. Give it the beans, dog. Give him the... Give it them beans, nigga. You know what I mean? Alright, let me stop. stop acting dumb. I got family watching me too. Let me stop acting dumb, man. By the way, everything that you see right now, all this is a green screen. And that speed, that's not the correct speed. The game is broke. I hope I'm getting good footage, because if I did all this and I go back and I watch this and this shit is ass, I'm done with YouTube, bro. I'm done with it. So I hope this turns out good, man. I'm trying to give y'all like real good footage and all, so we'll see. And I'm actually going to take the time to buy a camera. I'm done with that the DJI whatever. That's a cool, don't get me wrong, it's a cool camera, but it got stuff that it like, I think I told y'all on the last vlog, like whenever I'm recording, bro, it be locking on this shit and it don't be on me no more. And I think that was the issue my fiance was having when we tried to do the reveal when I got it tuned. For real, I probably should have just took the camera and did it like the selfie mode or whatever, but it is what it is, man. It is what it is. Should I do another little pull for y'all around this corner? Around this corner. This car can do that. You feel me? Oh, we got another corner right here. We got another corner right here. At 90, we got another corner. This shit stick now. Don't get it twisted. You know what I mean? This ain't a Hellcat. I can take corners. 97 taking a corner, man. This shit different. This shit different, champ. I fucking love this car, bro. I don't know if y'all can hear them pops. I might have to take it back to the shop so we can make them pops louder. But I don't want the pops to be like too ricey, bro. Like, I don't know. We'll see. Get the fuck out the way, man. God damn. Everybody always tell me I drive like an asshole. I don't see it. Comment below if you think I drive like an asshole. I think I drive pretty cool, for real. I think it's way worse people in the world that drive way worse than I do, but whatever. I ain't gonna lie. I don't know if y'all can see me in the mirror, but I look like a fucking dickhead with this fucking camera mount, bro. I don't know if y'all can see this shit, bro. I look like fucking Captain Dickhead. I'm glad my fucking windows is tinted. God damn. Woo! Pop, 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 pop. Yeah, man. I think I'm gonna leave it at that before I do some dumb shit and get myself locked up. So if y'all want to see more POV drives and longer POV drives and like me really like just fucking getting fucking busy behind the wheel, no diddy. Y'all niggas know what I mean when I say that, no diddy, yo. But if y'all want more videos like that, let me know. Comment. I mean, let me know if y'all want to see me do it like on the country road like that, or I could be what they call that shit, swim team. You mean I hop on the E-way. I don't really be driving like that on the E-way all crazy no more. You know, I'm older, I'm a little more mature. I used to do that dumb shit when I was younger, but yeah, y'all let me know what y'all want to see, man. Cause I'm bringing y'all the content for real. What's this? A series? No, that's like a Z4 or something. I think it was a shorty driving it. She don't want the smoke. She don't want smoke. I call this bitch this shark on land, bro. This a motherfucking shark on land. I hope I don't get demonetized because of all the cussing.